It's not a order, but my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks through life with you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Leave out your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burden upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy load. For thy yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I